Anu. Welcome to EC Electronics. In today's video, we are going to see some of the very latest updates from Wipro. Most of our subscribers are interested in watching recruitment updates from these companies like Wipro, TCS, Infosys, etc. So here again, I'm come up with another video from Wipro itself. We'll be seeing 4 to 5 updates for freshers in today's video. I'll be putting all the links in the description. Whichever post you're interested in, you can apply. Okay. And the qualification they're asking is any graduation, BTech, BCom, BSc, any graduation can apply. So let's move on to the video without further delay. If you are seeing the channel for the first time, please make sure you subscribe to the channel. It's absolutely free, and please do click on that bell icon so that whenever I upload video, you get notified. Okay, so let's move on to the first post. Before that, one of our subscribers got selected in Quest. So you can also find a job through this channel. Please stay tuned. Please regularly check on the videos which I'll be posting. Okay, so the first update that I'm going to share with you from Wipro is associate content moderator. Okay, so the content moderator means a person who takes care of the content. You have to handle content, you have to manage it, you have to document it, you have to make some corrections, all these things, collect the contents, manage the content. That is the job of a content moderator. The location they have given is Hyderabad. Also, they have given the job description. The educational qualification they are asking is just a graduate. If you are a graduate, you can apply for it. If you are passed out from 2015 or 14 or 16 or 17 or 2020, anybody can apply for this post. Okay, and the qualifications like BTech, BCom, BSc, any graduation clearly is eligible. Okay, so that's all about the first recruitment update. Also, I have given a very good description about what is going to be a content moderator. Okay, so you are actually a person who is going to handle the contents. Okay, so that is the first job role here. So here, in order to apply, just click on this icon which is called apply now. I would suggest you to apply for this post as soon as possible, because whenever you are making a delay, the job will get expired. Okay, so please to apply for it as soon as possible. Okay, so the first post is associate content moderator. The next post is associate. Again, whenever you are saying associate, as I am telling in all my videos, it will be for freshers. Okay, mainly this tagline which is called associate is referring to freshers. Here, let's have a look on the roles and responsibilities. Must have operating procedure, service lead, process metrics. You should have a proficiency in MS Office, Word, Excel, PowerPoint. Behavioral skills. You should be having good communication skills, good listener, communicator, strong interpersonal skills, management skill. Be a good decision maker. This is all the requirement is. You need to have a good personality, good learning capability. You should have good analytical thinking, good communication skills. That is all the requirement is. They have not asked for any educational backgrounds here. So anybody is eligible to apply here. Even if you are in the final year of your study, you can definitely try for this job. Okay, I must suggest you to apply for it. If you are in the final years of study, please do regularly check on the videos, and please do apply for multiple positions. Okay, because a lot of companies are actually preferring final years also. So you can get a job if you are if you have started to try in the final year of your study itself. Okay, so please make use of this time. It is a completely perfect time to start searching for the jobs. Okay, so that is the second post, which is associate, and the location is Hyderabad. Currently, most of these jobs will be work from home. Later on, you will have to specifically move or relocate to the given location. Okay, so the next post is production specialist. A lot of posts, I must say, a lot of open positions are there for production specialist category itself. Okay, Wipro is calling a lot of production specialist persons nowadays. Now, what is the job of a production specialist? This person, production specialist, is actually a person who is handling the production related details. Okay, so tracking client, deal with capital activities, capital calls, return to capital, waterfall calculations, means you are going to actually analyze the production. Various sectors are there for production, and you have to analyze the systems. If there is some problems, you have to find the solutions to the systems. That is the job of a production specialist. Okay, you will be actively participating in various sectors of production. Okay, so the roles and responsibilities is they have given, if you are having the certifications of CISA or CISSP, you will get a preference. Otherwise also you can apply. They have not specifically called for any educational backgrounds here also. Okay, lot of people have actually applied for production specialist post, and many people have got selected also in the past few months. Okay, I must say. So this is the job location. This is for a job location Gurgaon. and you can apply for it if you are interested. Otherwise, if you are not from Gurgaon also, you can apply. You have to relocate after the COVID situation has settled down. Okay. Next post we are going to see is again from production specialist category itself. Location is Chennai. Here they are saying that you need to have an experience in BPO. They have not specifically asked for any years of experience. So if you are having at least 1 to 2 months of experience, or if you are familiar with that area, you should definitely try. Okay. Educational qualification, again, graduate. So if you are a person who is interested in working with Wipro, this is the perfect time because a lot of updates they are posting in the Wipro site. In the dates of November 1st and 2nd itself, I could find a lot of new updates. Okay, and most of them are for any graduate, freshers, 5-year category. All of these categories are eligible. Okay, so here you need to have an experience in the BPO environment. You will get a preference, and the skills they're asking is again very basic. You should have good listening skills, speaking skills, willingness to learn, IT basic skill, basic computer knowledge. This is actually perfect for freshers. Okay, please to apply for it. Again, production specialist is the post, and in order to apply, you have to just click on this icon which is called apply. Next job role, associate, location is Kolkata. Now let's have a look on the qualification details. Again, they are not asking for any specific qualification, any graduate, fresher, open to apply. Okay, associate means fresher. Okay, entry level post, that is a meaning. Here the job location is Kolkata. If you are willing to relocate to Kolkata after the COVID situation has settled down, you can definitely apply. Now you can work from your home itself. Okay. Hey guys, there is an exciting news about Relevel. Relevel has launched 2 new tests in the domains of business analyst roles and for data analyst roles, and with which you can actually get up to 22 lakhs per annum. So the platform that is called Relevel is a completely free of cost platform. You can get your dream job here. You can get access to companies like Grad, Upgrad, Razorpay, Meesho, Urban Company, lot of companies, lot of startup companies, big companies, MNCs, unicorns are hiring through this platform which is called Relevel. What you have to do is you have to just register here for free, and then the next thing you have to do is you have to book a test slot, and then you have to give the test, and you have to get a score percentage 70% or above the test, and if you are getting that, you will get access to 1,000 plus companies, and you can get your dream company and your dream package. So please do check out the link which I'll be putting in description box. So if you would like to know about the success stories, or if you would like to know about the achievers through Relevel, you can just see their Twitter page. They have shared the details of persons who actually found their dream jobs through Relevel platform. So these are various persons who got their dream jobs, and they actually got placed in different companies based on Relevel score. Okay, so you can also try this platform. This is a free of cost venture. So please make use of this platform, and you need to just get a good score in the Relevel test, and you will get your dream company and your dream package. So these are the set of updates that I am sharing with you in today's video. And talking about the salary, you can expect a salary minimum 30,000 per month on a starting, because all the private companies or all MNCs are now offering a salary 25 to 30 minimum, and as per the Wipro general pay scale, you can expect a salary minimum above 30,000 on a monthly basis. Okay, now talking about the selection process here the selection process consists of 3 stages minimum. The first stage is going to be aptitude test. Now I'll tell you why this aptitude test is being kept. Okay, if you have read the notifications, you could have noticed that all the posts are asking for some logical thinking skills, some problem solving skills, these type of things. Okay, now how to analyze these skills, how to analyze that whether you have these skills or not, and for this they are actually conducting the aptitude test. Okay, aptitude is actually a measure to analyze how good you are in problem solving, how good you are in active thinking. So that is actually the need for keeping the first stage of selection, which is called aptitude test, and that is the very important stage, I must say. If you are able to crack the aptitude test, then you will get an inspiration to crack the technical test and the HR test. Okay, so the first stage of selection is your aptitude test, and the second stage of selection will be technical rounds. In the technical rounds, you will be asked questions from your resume. There will be various skills that you will be putting in your resume, right? And the interviewer will be taking your resume, and he will be reading through the skills session, and probably he'll be asking you questions from the skills which you have actually plotted in your resume. Also, if you are a person if you are a fresher, You will be asked questions from your final year project. What all languages you have studied during your course, what all softwares you have studied. From these areas, questions can come in the technical rounds. Also, there will be some basic programming things which will be given to you. Okay, some basic programming problems will be given to you, and you will be asked to write at least the basic flow of the program. If you have at least the basic overall idea about programming, that can be any language from C or C++ or Java. Basic, if you know how to write the outline of a code, then you can crack the technical rounds. Okay. Then the third stage is going to be an HR round. Okay. In the HR round, you will be actually having a discussion with the HR. The HR will be talking to you about what is going to be your job role, what is going to be your location, what will be your pay scale. All these things you can have a clarity with the HR. Okay, so that is all about the selection process. Minimum you can expect these three selection stages. Okay, so if you're interested, you can see the links which I'll be putting in description. And if you're finding these links useful, or if you think that you are eligible for this post, you can definitely apply. Okay, I would suggest you to apply maximum. Only if you apply maximum, you will get calls, or you will get some favorable mails, that is some reply mails. Okay, don't give up. If you are applying for one post and if you are not getting any reply, don't give up. Please keep trying. Everybody is going through these stages. Okay, so please keep trying, please keep applying, and you will definitely find a job. Okay, yeah, so that's all for today's video. I'm really hoping that you found the video useful. If yes, please don't forget to like the video. I also put a lot of effort in finding these job updates, because I'm not taking these job updates from any job site or anything. So please keep supporting the channel, please watch the videos, please like the video, share the video, and that's it. Subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Keep on watching.